Ever spent 8 hours wrestling with form validation regex, only to realize your conditional logic broke the file upload flow? Our Form Builder pack crushes that pain with drag and drop components, async validation middleware, dynamic field dependencies, and S3 presigned URL integrations. This is for React devs drowning in Informs View specialists fighting with Vulidate, Svelte nerds battling reactive stores, and full stack engineers stuck rewriting the same back-end endpoints. Let's be honest, you'll save more time than arguing with your team about input sanitization. Here's what's inside the Form Builder pack: Visual Schema Designer with JSON export, validation engine supporting ZOD and YUP interoperability, conditional logic trees with nested if-else triggers, multi-part form state persistence, file upload handlers with Cloudinary and Firebase adapters. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't just a tool, it's your new development superpower. Installing the Form Builder pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add form builder pack. That's it. You'll get the complete workflow: schema builder, validation pipelines, conditional logic engine, and upload handlers, all pre-wired. Your next Claude Code session picks it up automatically. Your AI assistant now understands field dependency graphs, multi-part form data, and CORS compliant upload strategies. Just don't forget to hydrate. Coding marathons are dangerous when your forms actually work.